foods. There's a lot going around about why one should consume raw foods. Some people consume only raw foods, and they feel a lot of benefits from consuming only raw foods. However, I would say, as far as lung health is concerned, when a person has weaker lungs or is trying to nourish or build more stamina and strength in their lungs, having too much of raw food is not very good. It has a slightly weakening effect on the body. People with lung conditions usually have a health problem which we would call slightly cold condition. The condition of the body is colder, the circulation is not enough, the metabolism is sluggish as well. There is a combination of things where the body has coldness as well as dampness, more mucus in the body, coldness. There isn't enough fire in the body to remove the toxins and the extra phlegm in the body. So having a lot of raw food simply increase that condition. It may not add extra mucus into the body, but it will not improve the body's abilities to heal more naturally. So adding raw food here and there in the summertime into salads is fine, but having a diet filled with raw foods is not very good for lung health.